In this video we are going to look at the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, you can see here previous structure is currently being tested constantly, like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This is a daily chart, so you can see it's been tested and 4 times it's failed to break up. So there is a strong bit of resistance right now where we're at. If we drill down and explore this range in a little bit more detail, what I tried to do yesterday, we tried to take the shorts down to to actually exploit this move back down to 130. So $1.30 is proven to provide really good strong round number support, and it's not managed to break through at all. So you can see 130 area down here. We were looking at it yesterday because we had this double top, it pivoted and then it completely failed, and we made money on this move initially. Then yesterday, as price consolidated after retest, went up, retraced about 38.2. If you look here in a little bit more detail what it did, this is a 15-minute chart. I find this very interesting. I was talking with one of the traders in our group about this price action when we were on a coaching call doing this one-to-one session. We were saying that regarding price action here, tested, which you can clearly see more visibly on a smaller time frame, like 15-minute in this case. Pound dollar tested the 38.2 at around 130, 130 multiple times, multiple tests to the downside, to the upside, and then after about 4 hours of consolidation, finally broke up. Which, after this consolidation here, you would have had a lot of stop losses just above looking to short this. You would have had a lot of buy orders as well, where people said, well, if price, traders were saying if the price breaks this level 130, 130, then we're going to get filled and go long into this move and see it break up and break out. So there was a lot of liquidity being grabbed here, a bit of manipulation. Stop loss hunt went up, took all of that liquidity before tanking. Buy orders again took them out before tanking, and the overall picture resumed, which was to the downside. So our bias was short anyway, so as it came up we were looking for entry short here, and when it dropped here we're looking at a T1 coming down here for about 50 pips, and then we were looking for a T2, which unfortunately didn't get there, just sat and consolidated even into the US close. We just didn't get the breakdown to retest that 130 area. But still, from an intraday point of view, as a good T1, 30 to 50 pips on that move, quite nice. Complete the shape, sort of an N shape. You could probably see that clear on a 1 hour chart, but basically go up and do like an N shape to come back down. Like in this instance, to the upside, it was a U shape to go down and then curl back up. But this way, we were looking for another little move down, which was perfect. So it's really nice. Right now you can see that price is being squeezed, so where to next is anyone's guess really. If it breaks this previous structure, which again you can see on a higher time frame, you can see that previous structure being tested and failed. We've just put a trend line there for this intraday move, so just temporary fix just to see how it reacts. If it breaks this area, then we're going bullish and we're going to start looking for higher highs. 133 will be the fib extension, and above that will be 135. So 200-300 pip moves to the upside. If this holds and we sustain this range and consolidate and then slowly just fell, we need to see a break of 130.50 and a break of 130. Then we can start looking for 128 for about 200-300 pips to the downside. So that's where we're at the moment. So yesterday was really good for this, and it was working really well. Price action was moving really well. Today not so clear, but just wanted to share that with you because it's really interesting to see how price action does rule in these current holiday, during this holiday season, and you can see how price is manipulated to suck in buyers and sellers, and in this case maybe do a bit of stop loss hunting. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.